Hi, I'm Gigi, Emerging Technologies Librarian with Public Technology Services at the San Diego Central Library. Thanks for joining and welcome to Design an Infographic Resume. We will jump into this agenda in a moment, but I just want to give you a brief overview of some great resources at the library. Our team oversees the Central Library's technology labs, which include the Innovation Lab, Digital Memory Lab, and Idea Lab. The Innovation Lab offers a variety of maker equipment from 3D printing to virtual reality. Right now, you can request your files to get 3D printed for contactless pickup. Just check out our webpage for additional details on how to access this amazing free resource. The Digital Memory Lab offers free digitization from analog to digital materials, which include formats such as VHS, beta, cassette, vinyl, and more. Under normal circumstances, these spaces are typically open to the general public for all ages to support project design and development, as well as provide free access to technology, tools, and learning resources. For today's program, we will be learning how to make your resume more visually appealing. It's presented by the Idea Lab at San Diego Central Library, which is the library's digital media lab and offers free access to computers, tools, and software such as audio-visual editing, animation and graphic design, coding, writing, publishing design, and more. To find out more about upcoming virtual workshops and other details, you can check out our website. Just go to the home page and click on Idea Labs tab along the top menu bar. Create a Canva account and pick a template. If you have not already done so, sign up for a free account on canva.com using your Google account, Facebook login, or email address. From the Canva homepage, there are many design templates to choose from, which can help support your other projects. Today, we will focus on resumes. Go to the Templates menu under Personal to select Resume. You're going to find a variety of options to select different types of resumes from a variety of categories. If you scroll down, you're going to see recommendations based on the template that you selected. Using the search bar to find resumes will produce the same results. For today's session, we will be working with an infographic template just for practice purposes. An infographic resume differs from traditional resume styles in that it uses graphic design elements. Whereas a traditional resume will simply use basic text to list information from top to bottom. An infographic resume uses layout, color, icons, and font styling to organize content. Pick a template that speaks to you, reflects your personality, and is suitable for the type of job you are applying for. For a more traditional corporate job might call for a more restrained use of colors, while a creative job can use bright colors and playful fonts. Make sure it has everything you need to create your resume. You will be able to edit the template to suit you. Hover over each template on the bottom right-hand side of the tile. You can view whether the template is free or it has a cost associated with it. Once you see an appealing design, click on the three dots and select Preview this template. A page will open with additional design details about this particular design with colors and fonts found in this template. If you scroll down, you can see which images and photos are used in the template and whether it is free or not. If you scroll down towards the bottom of this page, it will display additional resume templates, which are similar in design for you to choose from. On the upper right-hand side of this window, click the arrow to share this template with others and select the heart to save it to your Canva favorites. Ready to start designing? Click on Use this template. Let's review the template and menu. You will be able to customize the template by color, adjust text, symbols, and more. Now to add the important information about you. You should have already compiled your resume outline in a Google or Word doc. By doing this ahead of time, it helps you focus on your wording and content. Plus, it helps with mistakes using spell check. Make sure to include work experience and achievements. The template has holder text you can use as guides. Remember to mention any educational qualifications and volunteer experience. Change the formatting to suit your needs and add a page as necessary. You can also edit the template to use it for your cover letter. The Templates tab allows you to see other resume templates that might interest you. Uploads allows you to upload your own media such as images, video, and audio. This is where you're going to have quick access to your uploaded content as well. It can be uploaded from your device, Facebook, Google Drive, Instagram, and Dropbox. Photos allows you to search millions of photos. Some are free and some require Canva Pro. Hover over each icon to view the cost. Click on the three dots on each photo to view additional details, keywords, cost, and even add it to your likes. Once the image is selected, it will automatically appear into your document. Just simply select, delete it to remove it. Elements. It works the same way. You can search icons and shapes. Some are free and some require Canva Pro. So hover over each icon to view the cost, or if it's free, you'll be able to click on the three dots on each icon to view additional details, keywords, cost, and even add it to your likes. Once that icon is selected, it'll appear on your screen and you can modify it to suit your document. You can even change its colors as well, and the size. With text, you'll be able to search fonts and styles for the text that will go in your resume. Add headings, large size, subheadings, medium size, and body of text for smaller size. You have the option to search fun font combinations already designed by Canva. Just for reference, there is also the option to add music and video to your Canva project. For today's purposes, we'll just be working on a resume and not including those elements. Backgrounds. Search for images or color backgrounds. In order to add it to your resume, simply click on your preferred new background and it will automatically appear on the original backdrop of this document. In this case, the original background is hiding behind a shape that was created for this template and filled in with another color. Let's review modifying the template. When you select the text on your resume, this toolbar will appear along the top of your design area. Feel free to modify the text using a variety of settings, starting with font. Using the drop-down menu to select style of font, you can also zoom into your screen to view it better. Choose your style according to your position you're applying for. The size allows you to adjust text size accordingly. Next is color. Keep in mind that document colors will display in a dedicated row for easy matching. You can make text bold, italic, and underline. However, this will not work with all fonts, so let's pick another one just to demonstrate this particular setting. Auto-adjust your text to display all caps or all lowercase by highlighting exactly what you want to change. The alignment option allows you to adjust your text to display left, center, and right within the text box. Add bullet points, a number list, and simply click on it again to remove it. Adjust letter height and line height within your text box. Simply drag the button to the left or to the right to make any adjustments. Text Effects option will add some appeal to your selected text and provide you a couple of adjustments to that selected effect. I would most likely use a text effect on a heading or a subheading to a page, not so much the main text. Anytime you make a mistake, click on the back arrow displayed on the top menu bar of your design page. You can make adjustments as necessary. Next feature on our text setting bar is the position option, which allows the text selected to align to a position on the page. It also gives the option to place an object or text in front or behind another element on the page. The paintbrush icon allows you to copy the style of one font to match it to another text box on the page. From there, you can make minor adjustments to suit your document needs. If you will be sharing this as a digital resume, it's a good idea to add links to your text or images. Add links to your social media, website, portfolio, and more by copy and pasting it into the link bar at the top menu bar.